Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Today we'll be doing a get ready with me. We'll just do a little quick and easy makeup thing. I'm not gonna tutorialize it for you because I'm not a beauty guru, but you'll just see my steps and what I do. Today's video is actually sponsored by Remilia Hair, and I'm so excited to try their product. I've heard a lot about it, so I'm really excited to try it. Basically a little hair capsule that you put into your hair, and it like takes away the frizziness. So we'll touch base when we're actually doing my hair. So let's get into the makeup. I'm such a beauty girl, look at this. I literally have everything put on this glamour lock thing. So we're finally done with the makeup, my usual like rose gold glitter self, and now my hair is a mess. I'm gonna go and fix my hair right now. We're gonna try Remilia Hair. This is what they sent me. This is the Cosmo cap, and it comes in the cutest packaging. Oh my god, it's like this little cork bottle, and it's the daily hair serum. There's 30 capsules. this is just so freaking cute. It looks like I'm about to do like a science experiment. And it's actually made in Italy. It also sent me a couple of their hair ties. I love this. I love these hair ties. I actually just wear them as bracelets sometimes because I think they're so cute. So obviously we're gonna put on the little light pink one because duh. What do we have to lose? We're just here looking cute. So let me explain how this works. So these are plant-based capsules that strengthen, repair, and hydrate your hair. Ooh, that rhymed. You take one of these, you twist it, you squeeze it, and then a liquid comes out and you massage that into your hair. And it's basically like a serum that you put into your hair. And you start at the tips where it seems to be more dry and work your way up to about mid-length. They're created in Italy and they're environmentally friendly, which is so important. What it does instantly is that it defizzes your hair and it increases your hair's shine. So by strengthening your hair, it reduces breakage and split ends. So now that I gave you the basic information about it, let's try it out. This is actually perfect today because I actually kind of woke up with my hair being super frizzy and gross, and I just really needed to fix it. As you could see, there's like hair like standing up kind of, and it's just really messy, and I would want to tone her down, you know what I mean? Like, just, it's really frizzy. The steps are to wet your hair, apply the serum, and then blow dry it. I'm gonna go wet my hair real quick and be right back. I just wet it just a little bit. They're also just so fun to touch. They're so squishy. It's super interesting. So here they are. They're like really squishy. Me, like, this is so irrelevant, but it's like cool. I love that this product doesn't waste any plastic, and it's like in a glass jar, and it has a plant-based like capsule to hold the cream. Like, that's so innovative and cool. And what else I love is that like you don't have to ingest it. Like a lot of like pills that like help your hair and strengthen your hair, you have to like ingest pills, and you know, like, I trust a couple brands with that, but like honestly that kind of scares me, like ingesting pills every day. But this is so nice because you just like put it on top of your hair. So yeah, that was just a little point I made, but let's get into it. Anywhere. Ah, okay. Yeah, I spilled a little bit, but I got it. Okay, cool, I got some. Okay, cool, you see? Okay. Ooh, this is thick. This is a thick, nice thickness. This goes on very easily into the hair because it's so thick. It definitely distributes. Because that's what I was nervous about. I was nervous if it was really thin and I wouldn't get enough for my whole head of hair. But as you could see, the liquid is right on my hand. It's so thick. You probably can't see it because it's transparent. Wow, yeah, I'm like almost done with my hair, but there's still more left in here, huh? It smells so lovely. Okay, definitely still massaging. This really does feel nourishing though. It's like so creamy. I'm happy that it does strengthen. Obviously that's not something I could test right now, but if you ever want to know, because I'm definitely going to be using this, if you want to know, totally like DM me on Instagram. I'll let you know. Wait guys, you remember how big my hair was just like a second ago? I mean, I did just wet my hair, I realized that, but even when I wet my hair, there was still like hair coming out, and now there's not so much hair coming out. I definitely, I see a difference. You know, like I see a difference. Okay, dang. All right guys, that was my get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. The link to Remilia Hair, this little capsule situation, this Cosmo cap, will be down below. If you want your own, make sure to get it. So cool, and it is very creamy. It's like a nice way to nourish your hair and like defrizz. So yeah, thank you so much, Remilia Hair, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my final get ready with me. My look is complete. All right guys, bye. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. So today I will be doing a try on haul lookbook-esque video, which are always so fun. I love playing with fashion and finding like brands and companies besides Forever 21 that I can shop from. Today I actually got sent some stuff from Bella Ella Boutique, and I am super excited because you guys know how much I love trying new brands and showing you guys like, ooh, girl, be on the lookout.